We think about quality from day one and build it right into the design. It starts with the employees and how they go about their tasks. It starts with our design approach and how we think about the way we need to solve a problem. We look for particular situations where there might be extreme needs for temperature, or maybe reach, or maybe rapid motion. And we understand how that might stress the system and then design around it.
The collaborative robots are being used in combination with human labor. It's incredible to see how we use strain wave gears, how we have used modern technology and basically combined it into a product which just resembles the human body. It should be the perfection of a Swiss watch manufacturer. That's the level of perfection we should produce our products at. We have 81 checkpoints, and when we come to the joint self-test, we have about 19 hours of testing of each joint to make sure that it's performing to the required level so it can work side by side with human beings.
We're not designing robot arms, we're designing solutions for the customer. We have over 50,000 units installed all over the world, and that gives us amazing insight and findings and learnings and experience that we've gathered over years. You could imagine any number of things that might play out in a particular situation. And that leads to a very comprehensive design approach where quality is built in right from the start.
More than 100,000 users have taken our online training, and we have more than 60 training centers. The benefits of attending an academy training are many for the companies that send people. You now have internal Universal Robots experts, and they will most likely look at other parts of the production line for potential optimization with cobots.
Most of our people have actually been here from the outset of the company, so they will know every single process and how it works together. Every day is a constant journey of doing better than we did yesterday. Imagine what that does to a product.